fuck you doing? What are you parking there for? What are you parking there for? What are you parking there for? Fucking idiots. What are you parking there for? You're blocking the road. You fucking arsehole. This fucking cunt here. 77 kilometres an hour in a 100 kilometre zone, you fucking cunt. Drive on, you fucking cunt. Look at the size and the width of the road. You fucking cunt. You can't even do fucking 80 kilometres an hour, you fucking decrepit old cunt. Oh, the fuck! Would you look at this cunt? Look! The country is full of fucking wide open roads and cunt hooks decides to fucking hold up the fucking country. 100 kilometre zone, and look at this cunt. 61 kilometres an hour. 61 kilometres an hour in a 100 kilometre zone. 57 kilometres an hour. Go on!
For your vaccination, when they decide,
It's fucking stupid cunt!
they will basically press the button and your
Fucking kick fucking cunt! Sit there all day, why don't you? Go on, you cunt! So this is a cunt now in front that's been driving at 60 fucking 9 kilometres an hour all the way from fucking Cork. TSG. Move with TSG. Energise your future. What's energising about you, you cunt? You crawling fucking wanker, you.